everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Summer is around and we always try to keep ourselves hydrated by having some fresh juices at home. So let me show you how to prepare a simple watermelon juice by adding some amazing twist to the juice that takes your watermelon juice into another level and makes this juice a flavorful, creamy in texture. So let us see how to prepare. Here I have taken half a watermelon. I have cut it already. I am showing you the other half of it. Now you need to scoop up all the red part in it and then leave the outer coat aside. See here in a simple way I have cut like this. Just take a piece and then cut it into long slits like this and scrape it from the bottom of the outer coat. Then you can have this amazing pieces like this. Now repeat the process with the remaining pieces also and then add it into the blender as I have shown here. Now just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar according to your taste and without adding water blend it into a fine juice without adding water, remember it. Now if you are taking a larger quantity, the sugar you need to add according to your taste, then you can blend it batch wise. So I have prepared the watermelon juice. Now put it aside, do not refrigerate it. Now take a pan and add sago or tapioca pearls here. Here I have added 2 tablespoons. I have taken small size. If you have larger ones also, it will go with it. Now add 2 large glasses of water and put it on stove on low flame and allow them to turn transparent and smooth enough. Now on the other hand, take another pan and add medium glass of milk or 1.5 teacup of milk. Now on the other hand, take a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of custard powder and then add 2 tablespoons of milk and then stir it nicely without any lumps there in the custard powder. Now once your custard powder is all ready, now time to add into our milk. Now the milk should be, see this custard powder is lump free. Now it's all ready. Now you need to stir the milk before adding custard powder and then you can check once it is boiled. Once you get a nice boil of the milk, then only you need to add the custard powder along with the milk which we have prepared. Now stir it continuously, otherwise as soon as you drop the custard powder you may have chances of getting lumps. So stir it nicely accordingly in a single direction so that you can get a homogeneous mixture. Now here I have taken Nestle Milkmaid. You can also add sugar if you don't have it. I have added 1 tablespoon of Milkmaid in it and then stir nicely. See our tapioca or sago has completely turned transparent. Now turn off the stove and sieve it nicely or strain it and remove all the excess water and then just add the sago into a bowl and put it aside. See our mixture is thickened here, our milk is thickened. Now on a low flame only add the watermelon juice into it and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, see the entire mixture is completely mixed properly. So now it's time to add our basil seeds or sabja. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of basil seeds and I soaked for half an hour in water and then I have strained the entire water and put it in a bowl. Now add that and also add the strained sago or tapioca pearls into the mixture or watermelon juice here as I have shown here and then stir it nicely and then turn off the flame. You don't need to get any thicker consistency or like that. Once you mix all the ingredients nicely, now allow it to cool completely at room temperature and then add the entire mixture into a blender and add the remaining watermelon pieces into it and blend it nicely. Now this is what you need to exactly do it. You need to blend it because you should have a creamier and thicker, amazing flavorful custard watermelon juice. That's it. This is so simple. Now chill it in refrigerator for half an hour or add ice cubes according to your taste. But I prefer you need to chill it, otherwise ice cubes that again gives you a thinner consistency. Now add chopped watermelon and dry fruits on top of it nicely and enjoy this custard watermelon juice. Now trust me, this is an amazing, mouth refreshing and you can also have your thirst fulfilled. This is mouthful with all nuts and all the sago and creamier texture. Truly it has got an amazing taste. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned you in the comment section.